friends, welcome to my channel Love Adventure. Hope you're all doing well. Today I came up with a great recipe of ground chicken, and it's called ground chicken stew with vegetables. The main attraction of this recipe is that I'm going to cook this in an instant pot. This chicken stew is made with basic ingredients to create a hearty, flavorful meal that the entire family will love. Let's get to the recipe. Set your instant pot to saute mode and allow it to get hot before adding oil. Then add the ground chicken and saute a little bit. For this recipe, I chopped garlic, onion, carrots and tomato. You can add whatever vegetables you prefer. I also got capsicum and canned corn. I'm using cumin seeds here, but you can skip it by all means or add your choice of any spices. Add the vegetables and cumin seeds and stir well. I used about 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup and add salt according to your taste. Add water or chicken broth as per your taste. Then I added about half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir well everything and then secure lid and ensure the valve is in the sealing position. Cook on meat stew for 25 minutes and release the pressure naturally once done. Open the lid and garnish with chopped cilantro. Serve it warm with rice or bread. Ground chicken stew with vegetables is ready. It's really simple and flavorful instant pot recipe. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. You can also click on the bell icon so you never miss any videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.